I don't do this every day. We put new pads and rotors on, but since this is on an old Chevelle, I'll show you my old machine. It works very well. And it has these collets that are shaped like the bearing races, all right? You can see by the dust all over them, we don't use this anymore. So you match the bearing on the inside, bearing on the outside, vibration dampener, put it in there, give it a spin. Now you could set a dial indicator up to see if there's issues with how it's mounted. I just gave it a spin and seen what was going on. I said, looks good. I'm gonna have the machine going. You can see it's cutting it on both sides. Once this is done, I'll put a non-directional finish on it with a cookie pad, and I'll just rub my hands across it. Then I'll wash it with water, dry it, and then I'll hit it with some brake clean, and then I'll clean out the rotor holes, the wheel bearing holes, put fresh grease in there, repack the bearings, and get this old school back together. I'm not sure what this thing is. Chevy Malibu? Old school Malibu? This car is solid. I just took it for a ride. This is the spindle, and that's one bearing on the inner. I use the bearing nut retainer to knock them all. This thing's clean. It rides just like a new car, to be honest with you.